Okay, so you're researching PayPal credit card. Dwayne here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, we're going to talk about one of the few credit cards that PayPal has to offer. We're actually going to be talking about the PayPal Cashback MasterCard and whether if this card is right for you or if it's something that you should even consider getting. But before we get started, I have a quick. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV. And on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit and ways to improve your credit score. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe to the bottom right of this video and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so PayPal has a couple of credit cards that they have to offer. This particular card, the PayPal Cashback MasterCard, is a 2% cashback card on pretty much all the purchases. So what we're going to do for this portion of the video is we're going to go to the website together so that you can have a look with me in regards to the PayPal Cashback MasterCard and see if this card provides any value to you at this particular moment. So give me 1 second and I'll see you guys over on the laptop.
Okay, so as you can see here, we're at the PayPal website, so we're going to have a look at the PayPal Cashback MasterCard. So it says, turn your everyday purchases into 2% cashback with the PayPal Cashback MasterCard. Earn cash rewards every time you buy, all while enjoying no annual fee. Simply shop, earn, and redeem. So this is a pretty straightforward card here. This is just a 2% cashback card on all of your purchases. Right here on the left, number 1 says shop everywhere. Use your PayPal Cashback MasterCard to shop everywhere MasterCard is accepted. No purchase restrictions. Number 2, earn cash rewards. Get 2% cash back every day, every time you use your card. No exceptions, no rotating categories to keep track of. Of course, I guess they're talking about the cards that have like 5% cash back, like for example, the Discover card, Chase, different cards that have different categories that rotate, but you get more cash back, more than 2%. However, that's fine. This is good because in that way you don't have to worry about anything. You know that you're going to get 2% cash back on every single purchase, and that's a lot easier to keep track of. So I hear you, PayPal, in regards to not worrying about rotating categories. Number 3 here says redeem anytime. Redeem cash rewards right to your PayPal balance and use them however you want. No redemption threshold. So I do have a PayPal account, and if you have a PayPal account or if you have a business, this card is actually a good card to have because what you can do is with the cashback, you can transfer the cashback directly to your PayPal account. But of course, you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your checking account, so or savings account or whatever account you have attached to your PayPal account. So that's actually not bad. This can end up being, real cash instead of something that you have to redeem later on. So that's pretty good here. As you can see, there's really not a lot to this website. Just once again, they're talking about getting a credit decision in seconds, and you can apply for it right here on the website. And then there's some legal term here. It talks about the reward program, and it talks about right here. It says for new accounts, variable purchase APR is 21.49%. 25.49% or 28.49%. Of course, they're talking about the different threshold or the different percentage based on your credit worthiness, I'm sure. And like I said, this is pretty straightforward here. There's not a lot going on with this site. Right here it says you can relax and enjoy. You're getting MasterCard benefits. On the left it says extend your warranties, double the original manufacturer's or store brand warranty for up to 1 year when you purchase using your PayPal Cashback MasterCard. And over here it talks about price protection for 60 days. If you buy an item with your card and the price drops within 60 days, you may be reimbursed for the difference. That's always good to know because I hate buying something and then, there's a sale that comes up shortly after I buy it. And normally you can return that to the store and the store will credit your account, your card, or give you cash back if you choose to pay for it with cash. Then the next thing says identity theft resolution. You'll get ID theft alerts, credit card replacement, and ID theft affidavit assistance or assistant if you are the victim of identity theft at no cost to you. PayPal is really good about refunding your account if there's a transaction that you did not authorize, or if you got whatever the service is and you weren't happy with it. PayPal will straighten it out and take care of you as soon as possible. I have experienced that with PayPal and they're really good about that. It says microchip technology. EMV chip technology makes shopping more secure at chip-enabled terminals around the globe. So that's pretty cool. Of course, there are different things here that you guys can look at. You can click on how it works. You can click on the rewards, the benefits, and get rewarded now. So once again, this is a pretty straightforward site or credit card, the PayPal Cashback MasterCard. It's a 2% cashback card. If you have a PayPal account, this card is probably good for you. If you have a business account and you're selling stuff online all the time, or you're getting a lot of PayPal transactions, this will be good for you because you could, like I said, you're going to get cash back anyway, but you can use the credit card and get more cash back and just transfer it from your PayPal account to your checking account, and that way you're in the money. So this is pretty much it here for the PayPal Cashback MasterCard. I'll see you guys back in the video in 1 second.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with someone that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you can subscribe by clicking the word subscribe to the bottom right of this video. Once again, on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the FICO score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. As a matter of fact, subscribing right now will help our channel grow faster, which will allow us to do two things. Number one, get this information out to more people, and number two, make it a lot easier to continue to upload videos just like this one. So if you're new here, please subscribe. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.